Hello, I'm going to show you what a cheap, reliable chainsaw. This is made by worx. Here's the model number, WG303. I bought this in the wintertime for 120 bucks, but it was on sale for $60. I'm going to show you what I was able to cut with it. I cut all these branches here, but I cut these big ones over here. As you can see, these are big. These are like 17, 18 inches thick. So I was able to cut a lot of big tree trunks with this chainsaw. It's electric, no pumping, easy to use. I did all this with one chain, didn't have to replace the blade. Another tree I cut with the same blade, about 10 inches in diameter. Made a lot of cuts. All these logs you see here was used with that chainsaw. So if you want a good chainsaw that's pretty cheap, I suggest you go with that. Go electric. Don't go with gas. You got to keep pumping it up. I tried that. No good. That's probably the best chainsaw you're gonna get for the dollar. It's probably $120 now. It's free shipping, but keep it in mind in the wintertime you can get it for half off. And I was able to cut all this stuff here, all these big logs you see here with that one chainsaw. So and that's it.